Wondering if you can afford your dream house? Let's check using CashTrac. Start by cloning the Buy a House planner. Here, you can edit details like your salary, expenses, and savings. Right now, with a negative cash flow, buying your dream house isn't feasible. But what if, with your current savings, you could buy it for free in the next 10 years? We'll try this by investing in rental properties first. Clone the Buy Rental Property Planner to get started. Add the details for the first property, down payment, mortgage, etc. Repeat this process for a second and third rental property over the next 10 years, watching your cash flow grow as you go. Once your rental properties are in place, add your dream home to see if the positive cash flow covers it. Use the Compare Planner to check your financial health with and without the rental strategy. Make smarter decisions with CashTrac. Sign up today to see how your financial future could look.